My name is Edwin Castaneda, based out of Houston, Texas. I've been in the motorcoach industry since 2016 and continue to love it to this day. The habit is always knowing that you're willing to change for what's coming next, always willing to want to learn something new, and always, have a positive mentality towards anything in this industry, because things are changing left and right, up and down. So it's always staying positive. A few years ago, I was just worrying about turning wrenches. That's all I saw myself doing. But now that I got more into the more management side, I can see myself, grow in this industry that, there's no telling where you would go in the next 5 to 10 years. Always have a positive attitude towards your techs, because there are your ears, your hands, your eyes out in the shop when you might be busy, or you can make sure you can always rely on them. So it's always having a good and positive attitude towards them at all times. That sometimes things don't go our way, right? There's always that error that may happen along the way, and it's a process and a battle that we struggle with every day. So a little bit more understanding, I guess, it'll always be better. Maintaining a good relationship, knowing that everything is not work. You can have a personal relationship with your coworkers, always maintaining a positive attitude towards them and respect throughout, and that good relationship with your coworkers. Staying on top of everything. Anything, little thing that you may see along the way, the little things that you may not think about are always the ones that will come back later on. So it's always staying on them. It's good because I love pressure, so it helps me feel alive. I love the pressure that there always is. When you may get a part, it may not always be an exact fit, just because they might be changing manufacturers or there was a problem along the line. So whenever you want to get it on the bus, something may not always match up, and it's hard going back and forth with them for them to see how it's not fitting or what you're seeing with your eyes. Know that things may not always go your way, but don't take it as a fail or that you're not good enough. Always think about it as a learning opportunity, and there's always room for you to continue to grow and learn more.